Hello. This video will show you the steps involved with modifying shopping carts in the e-commerce shop using the e-commerce admin. Let's get started by logging in to the e-commerce admin. To customize the settings for the shopping carts page, navigate to the Shopping Carts tab under the Company Settings section. Expand the Shopping Carts section on the page. Then click the Add button. This opens the Add Shopping Cart Details pop-up window. Select the shopping cart type and assign it a name. Check the Set for Multiple Market checkbox to apply the same settings to different markets. Click the Add Stock Setting button. The Add Stock Setting pop-up window opens. In the pop-up, choose the stock option logic for when items are out of stock. Check the Show Left Quantity Message checkbox to display the number of remaining quantities in stock, and enter the minimum threshold quantity. Click the Save button to close the pop-up. In the Add Cart Details pop-up, select the currency code and the language. Select the price group in the Price Type drop-down. Choose the country code. If the Set for Multiple Market option is unchecked, then select the default state and enter the default zip code. Choose the warehouse and ship method for the market. Then select the store in which this cart will be available using the Web ID drop-down. In the Web Category drop-down, select the inventory category. In the Customer Type drop-down, choose the associate type. Select any restricted states, if necessary. At the bottom of the pop-up, click the toggles you prefer to enable. The options are: Restrict to Warehouse, Allow Split Payments, Show Product Weights, and Allow Coupons, which reveals a field where you can enter the coupon code that you want to automatically apply. Click the Save button. Repeat these steps for each cart type and customer type needed. You can click the Is Active toggle to turn the shopping cart configuration on or off. Expand the AutoOrder cart section and repeat the process for the auto-ship shopping carts. You now know how to modify shopping carts using the e-commerce admin. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.